Welcome to our trading channel. This is Jenny from peakbinaryoption.com. GBP USD pair experienced main downward trend earlier today. The price rebound at the level of 1.2716. Then there is an upward trend. But it is hard to judge how long the trend will keep. When it break the resistance level of 1.273, I placed a long position on this VIP client's account. The market still moves up a little. There are about 18 minutes left. I will hold longer to see how market moves. Now, the price met new resistance at the level of 1.274. There is possible reversal. If that happens, I would have to close the position before expiry. No one can predict the market 100% accurate. When you are in profits, maximize it. When you are in loss, minimize it. There is no better choice on this. There is a client contacting us. I will close this position as I see there is reversal signal on our system. There are many psychological traps in trading. You need to identify them and mistakes made before. Then you can improve the results. If you have any question, feel free to contact our team via email or Skype. Thanks for watching and wish you succeed in trading.